Welcome to PreMath. In this video we have got this blue rectangle ABCD along with this segment EB, as you can see in this given diagram, such that this EB segment length is 10 centimeter, and as a result we are ended up with this green shaded trapezoid BCDE. And moreover, this point E is the midpoint. In other words, this segment AE length equal to this segment DE length. And furthermore, this angle AEB is 75 degrees. And now our task is to calculate the area of this green shaded trapezoid. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's make an observation. We can see this point E is the midpoint. And here in this next step, I have drawn this line EF, such that this line EF is parallel to this side AB and DC. So therefore we can see that this is going to be the half of this rectangle, and this part is going to be the half of the rectangle as well. And furthermore, if we draw this diagonal EC, then we can see that this diagonal EC is going to be simply the reflection of this diagonal EB by the definition of symmetry. In other words, this angle has got to be 75 degrees as well. And furthermore, if I label this area of this triangle as uppercase A, then the area of this green shaded triangle is going to be uppercase A as well. And likewise, the area of this triangle is going to be uppercase A as well. And finally, the area of this triangle is going to be uppercase A as well. In other words, the area of this blue rectangle has been divided into 4 parts, as you can see. And now we are going to focus on this triangle BEC. We can see its area is going to be A, and this A is going to make it 2 times A. So the area of this triangle BEC is going to be 2 times uppercase A. And furthermore, if this segment EB length is 10 centimeter, then this segment EC length has got to be 10 centimeter as well by the definition of symmetry. And furthermore, we know that this whole straight angle is 180 degrees. We know this angle is 75 degrees and this angle is 75 degrees as well. So therefore, the angle in between has got to be 30 degrees. And now let's focus once again on this isosceles triangle BEC. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times A times B times sine of angle C, as you can see in this given triangle. And here we can see our one of the side lengths is lowercase a, the other side length is lowercase b, and C is the angle in between. So therefore, in this isosceles triangle BEC, our 2 side lengths are 10 centimeter and likewise 10 centimeter. And the angle in between is 30 degrees. And furthermore, the area of this triangle is 2 times uppercase A. So therefore, we could write the area 2 times uppercase A equals to a half times one side length is 10, the other side length is 10 as well, times sine of angle 30 degrees. And now our task is to find the value of area uppercase A. And now let's focus on this sine of 30 degrees. Sine of 30 degrees is always equal to 1 divided by 2. So therefore I'm going to replace this sine of 30 degrees with 1 divided by 2 over here. And likewise, if we multiply and simplify this part, that is going to give us 50. So therefore we could write 2 times uppercase A equals to 50 times sine of 30 degrees is 1 divided by 2. So therefore we could write 2 times uppercase A equals to 25. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to isolate uppercase A. This 2 and 2 is gone. So therefore our uppercase A value simply turns out to be 12.5. So thus our uppercase A value turns out to be 12.5. And now since we are interested in calculating the area of this green shaded trapezoid BCDE, and we can see the area of this green shaded trapezoid is going to be 2 times A plus A is going to make 3 times uppercase A. So therefore our green shaded trapezoid area is going to be simply 3 times uppercase A. And now we know our uppercase A value is 12.5. So I'm going to substitute that value 12.5 over here. So therefore let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. So we got 3 times 12.5 is going to give us 37.5 centimeter square, the area of this green shaded trapezoid BCDE. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this green shaded trapezoid BCDE turns out to be 37.5 centimeter square. In other words, the area of this green shaded trapezoid is going to be 37.5 centimeter square. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.